Now is it coming? Is it coming? Voice Rawali? Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's good morning now. People are saying good evening. People are saying good evening. It's good morning. It's good morning, Baba. Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah. Acha, it's good evening. Good morning. It's good morning because we are meeting for the first time in the day. Actually, there is rule in the evening, we should say good evening. Yeah. But since we are meeting for the first time in the day, whenever you meet, I'm meeting for the first time, not in the day. Yeah. Not only in the day. Yeah. I'm meeting you for the first time. So whenever we meet for the first time in the day, we should say good morning. So that's why I'm saying good morning. That's why I'm saying good morning. Yeah. Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Not covering. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. So everyone Manchi at home, everyone Manchi, I am very good in Telugu. So I'll keep on using Telugu words. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Bagunnara, Bagunnara, Bagunnara. Everyone Manchi at home. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Sir, exam completed, of course, will be Manchi. Yeah. Okay. I'm also good. I'm also good. Always remember. Yeah. Okay. Always remember. Students and teacher relation is directly proportional. If students are Manchi, teacher will be also Manchi. There is no difference. Yeah, directly proportional. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So what's going? Board exam completed. What's going at home? Chilling or studying? Kya ho raha hai ghar pe? Just completed 10th board. What's going on? Chilling or studying? Chilling, sir. Yeah, of course it's time for you to chill. Of course it's time for you to chill. Yeah, okay, no problem. But your target is also there. You have also decided that you have to become doctor. That's why slowly you have to start studying also. Slowly you have to start studying also. Only chilling will not work. Since board exam completed, ghar mein koi bhi nahi hai papa. Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. So chilling with studying. Yeah, I think some old people are also there. Okay, no problem. My symbol is this. People, in few days you'll get to know. In 1-2 days you'll get to know. People, in place of my name, people simply say this also. This also, if you come in Vijayawada and you do anywhere on the road like this, people will understand you are talking about me. Class is getting recorded. Class is getting recorded on other computer. Okay, no problem. No problem. Yeah. So what one thing? Okay, no problem. No problem. My brother asked when your marriage is. Okay. Some good things happened at the last time. Don't worry. Proper time you'll get to know. Yeah. Okay. For new people, yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. I think your brother and sister will be knowing me, so that's why they have told you something about me. So that's why people are asking. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So before starting anything, just you have completed. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So since you have completed your, what's your name? I will introduce myself. Yeah. Some new people are also there, so I will introduce myself. Don't worry about that. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Is symbol represent? That is the, yeah. Okay. Yeah, of course I am. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So myself is Akhilesh Kumar Dubey. In short, people say AKD. So in short, people say AKD. Yeah, that's why in the timetable also, if you see, name is AKD. Yeah. With respect, students put sir there. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. You see, na, in Pushpa movie, only respect was one thing which was missing na. For the fight of the, yeah, Pushpa, do you remember? Yeah. Okay, no problem. Only one thing was missing, respect. So with respect, students say AKD, sir. With respect, students say AKD, sir. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Otherwise, in short, my name is AKD. Okay. I will be teaching you physics. Means, yeah, of course, we'll be starting with our gift program. In gift program, we have to talk about maths, basic maths. I will talk about basic maths. Okay. But actually, I will be teaching you physics here in our Sri Gosalites. I will be teaching physics. Okay, no problem. Yeah. And okay, I'm an engineer by degree. I'm an IITian by degree, but by profession, I'm a teacher. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Anything else you want to ask? First class, so basic introduction. Okay, no problem. Anything else you want to ask? Your age, people, this is a research going on. I never born. I think my age is 1532 years. Yeah, okay, 1530. All the scientists which you have heard, na, Newton was my friend, Einstein was my friend, all the scientists that you have heard, all are my friend. Yeah, okay, okay, we'll start the class, no problem. Yeah, I am from UP, you can say, okay, no problem. I am from UP. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, I mean, yeah, but I was from UP, now I am from AP. Only first word change. I was from UP, but now I am from AP. Here I am from last 6 years, so that's why you'll get to know from my Telugu also. Do you know Telugu? I know Telugu everything. There is not even a single thing which I don't know in Telugu. Yeah, I know everything. Yeah, AP is our nice place. AP is a good place. Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. So I did BTech from IIT Dhanbad. Okay, I was in IIT Kharagpur, then I shifted to IIT Dhanbad, which was closer to my house. Yeah, okay. So both IITs I was there. Yeah, okay, no problem. What you are going to teach? We will study basic maths. We are having foundation class. Just 1 minute. Yeah, we are having our foundation class. So yeah, okay, no problem. Wahi pe, yeah, you can continue there only. You can continue there only. Mohit sir taught you trigonometry there only. No need to write in new book. From there only you can continue. Yeah. Full, yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. So we will start with basic maths. Basic maths will be studying trigonometry already. You have studied. Our target will be to talk about differentiation. Our target will be to talk about differentiation, means we'll talk about calculus. We'll talk about calculus. One part of maths is there which is used in physics. That is our calculus. That is our calculus. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So again, before starting studying, first thing, few points I will tell you. Just be focused, understand few points. Yeah, because you have to give NEET exam after 2 years. So some things should be there in your mind. Some points must be clear in your mind. Always remember, class 10th exam, class 10th work, class 10th study is something else. Once you come in class 11th and 12th, and once you have decided to become doctor, you have to do lots of hard work. I'm not saying from now only, from today only you'll start doing hard work. No. But slowly you have to enter in your studies. That is very, very important. Don't worry, everything we will talk, we'll start from the basic. Yeah, just focus on the few important points which I'm telling you. Always remember, you have decided to choose for becoming doctor, and everyone cannot become doctor. That's why doctor is given that much respect in the society. So lots of hard work you have to do during coming 2 years. During coming 2 years, lots of hard work you have to put from your side. So now only, from slowly, now only, don't wait for tomorrow. Now start, slowly start studying, start working for becoming doctor. I'm not saying 100% studying right now, but you can divide your entire day into 2 parts. 50% studying and 50% chilling. Is it okay? Is deal is okay? Is deal is okay? 50% chilling, sir, 50% studying. Yeah, deal okay, sir. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, slowly you have to start, because slowly once you'll start actual classes, so much of syllabus will come. So basics should be always strong. Yeah. Yeah, 50%. Yeah, okay, no problem. Means after class, whatever the time left, in that 50% studying you have to do. Slowly will increase. Slowly increase studying. After a few days, it will become 90% studying, 10% chilling. After that, it will become 99% studying, 1% chilling. After that, it will become 100%. When NEET will come close, it will become 100% studying, 0% chilling. But since you have given just board exam, you are chilling at home, okay, no problem. So no need to study more. But slowly you can start. Slowly you can start. That's why I'm saying 50% studying means 3 hours you can study, 2-3 hours you can study, 2-3 hours you can study, just whatever we are studying in class you can study. 3-4 hours. I think you'll be getting bored also. By chilling, if you have to chill every day, you'll get bored also. So new things you learn, slowly you have to start studying also. Are you not feeling bored? Being at home, studying, chilling, watching movie, watching serial, watching, yeah, okay, no problem. Are you not feeling bored? Yeah. So slowly you can start. Study is also type of chilling only. Study is actually type of chilling only. You learn new things. Yeah. So okay, watching only news. What watching in news? At this age, no need to watch the news. At this age, you should watch those cartoons, Pogo, and okay, no problem. Yeah. So okay, yeah. What are the cartoons that we have? Doraemon is there. Discovery Channel you can watch. Sinchan is there. Sinchan, Motu Patlu, Chota Bheem, everyone started giving. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Pokemon, Power Rangers, okay, no problem. Yeah, good. Yeah, okay. So you can watch that also, but 2-3 hours you can. IPL is also going on. Yeah. So yeah, in between, Instagram is also going on, Facebook also going on, WhatsApp also going on, so many things going on, but always keep one thing in your mind: after 2 years you have to become doctor, and becoming doctor is not so easy. Otherwise everyone will become doctor. You have to start studying slowly. You have to start studying. Yeah. Which team do you support in IPL, sir? I'm fan of CSK. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Which is 9th number. CSK and Mumbai Indians, 9th and 10th. Okay, they are at the 9th position, 10th position. Our Gosalites also logo, if you see, that is yellow color. CSK also yellow color. So that's why. Okay, that's why we put yellow color there. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Okay, we'll start with the class also. General first class, so general introduction I'm talking. Okay, no problem. Be focused. Yeah, okay. So before moving further, again, I will remind you. First thing you tell me, did anyone force you to become doctor? Does your parents force you that you have to become doctor? No, you have to become doctor. You want to become doctor by your choice or by parents' choice? You want to become doctor by your choice or parent choice? If you're, yeah, my choice, you see, yeah, you want to become doctor by your choice. Yeah, that means you love the profession of becoming doctor. That means lots of hard work is required. Yeah, your choice, you decided to become doctor. That means you have to work hard. Yeah. So slowly you have to come in the lane to become doctor. Slowly you have to start studying. Is it okay? 50% study means everyone has to do a study at least for 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours every day. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. Some people are saying mutual understanding of me and my father, sir. Okay, no problem. Good. That is also good. Yeah. At this age only you are able to understand the feeling of your parents. That is the best thing. Parents will be the happiest person. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, no problem, Tejashwani. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So challenges will come, tough time will come. You have to make yourself strong and you have to work hard. That is the most important thing. Once you will start working hard, you will start loving the studying. Actually you will start loving. Once you will start loving the studying, you will become doctor. The day you will start loving the study, the day you will start treating studying as chilling, you will become doctor that day. So you have to start slowly studying. Okay, no problem. Yeah. And our hostel will be open soon. We will start. Till then we are having gift classes. Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. Now I'll be teaching you one part of basic maths. Actually, don't feel that I'm a maths teacher. Actually, what happened after a few days, I will teach you maths. So you'll maybe start feeling that AKD sir teaches maths. I'm not your maths teacher. I'll be teaching you physics. But for physics, maths is required. Actually, foundation of physics will be found with the help of maths. That's why you studied trigonometry previously. We will start with the next part. Shall we start? Shuru kare? Shall we start? Maths is the language of physics. Whatever we'll study in physics, that we have to express. And when we have to express, we require some medium. That medium is our maths. When we study physics, we need to write equation. So their maths will come. Yeah. So already you studied. So we'll start with basic maths. Already you studied. Okay. Yeah. Maths is the engine of physics. Oh, very nice. Sir, class is recording. Recording is going on. No problem. Yeah. Okay. So we will start with our part calculus. You talk about trigonometry previously. We will start with one more part, that is calculus. You can write calculus. And I will tell you what is meaning of calculus, what I'm trying to tell you. Name is calculus. This is what we are going to start. And here only differentiation and integration will come. Actually, differentiation and integration are part of calculus. Last class you studied trigonometry. Once you will be ready, you can say, done sir, we will start. You can say done sir. If you are ready, you can say done sir. Wow, very fast. Everyone is saying done sir. Once I said you can say done sir, everyone started saying done sir. Okay, yeah. You have to be active. You have to be active in the class. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, very good. Yeah. Now understand before starting calculus, few things I will tell you again related with calculus. Just 1 minute. Always remember, this is such a once again, I cannot explain trigonometry now. Okay, now just see here, be focused. Yeah, okay. Now always remember, what you have talked with your friends, you have talked with your brother, sister who are in medical college somewhere. What they said you about physics, easy or tough? What they said you about physics, easy or tough? What they said, physics is easy or tough? Everyone is saying, except 1-2 people, everyone is saying physics is tough. Actually, for medical student, those who decide to become doctor, for them physics become tough, and culprit is this. Culprit, the reason for physics to become tough is your calculus. Calculus. If you ask people why physics is tough, they will tell you the reason, because in physics so many places differentiation, integration will be used. That's why they find physics to be tough. So this calculus will form foundation. Once you are good in calculus, once you are good in differentiation and integration, physics will become easy for you. After that, calculation part will be done. One calculation part is done, concept you will be able to understand. There is no problem in understanding the concept. Concept will be interesting. You'll be able to understand the concept. So calculation part will be tough. That calculation part becomes tough due to calculus. So if you really want to make your physics good, you have to understand this part, calculus. Calculus means you have to understand differentiation and integration. So you have to be very focused when I'm talking in the class. So be focused, bring understanding. Yeah. So we'll start with the calculus. So always remember, some of your friends say physics is tough. Reason is only one thing, calculus. Calculus makes physics tough because so many places this will be used. There is not even a single topic in the physics where calculus is not used. Everywhere it will be used. So for good foundation, you tell me, for making a good building, what is the first thing required? If you want to make a good building, what is the first thing required? Not brick, foundation required. Ask your father, he has seen the construction of house. First thing required is the foundation. So this calculus will form the foundation. Base, we say na base, yeah. Base of physics will be formed with the help of basic maths. Yeah, that is with the help of calculus. So we'll start with calculus. Yeah. Now be focused. Yeah. Pillars come secondary. Primary is your base, and base of the physics will be your maths, basic maths, and basic maths will be coming with the help of calculus. Maybe you are going to study calculus for the first time. You are studying for the first time. Okay, no problem. Trigonometry previously you studied, but calculus you are going to study for the first time. So be very alert, be very focused, then only you'll be able to understand. Yeah, okay, no problem. Just here. Yeah, actually what is calculus? Just here. Okay, MPC student study calculus entirely 2 years. Actually, their class 12th is only one thing in maths. They have to talk about calculus. But we have to talk calculus in a time of 3-4 days. We have to complete calculus in the time of 3-4 days. So be focused this year. Okay. In 1 week, we will try to complete calculus. Okay. So calculus is part of maths. Actually, pure mathematics. Calculus is branch of maths which deal with 2 things: differentiation and integration. So we'll start with this. You write.
Recording in progress.
It is that part of maths. It is that part of maths which deal with, it is that part of maths which deal with, first you can write differentiation. It is that part of maths which deal with, first one is our differentiation, second one is our integration. These are two things that we study in entire calculus. It is that part of maths which deal with, it is that part of maths which deal with differentiation, first point, and second, integration. I have repeated so many times, it is that part of maths which deal with first differentiation, second integration. Yeah. So first thing you tell me, if anyone asks you what is calculus, what calculus deal with, come on, tell me in short, what calculus deal with? Come on, Twarga, calculus deal with? Calculus is that part of maths which deal with differentiation and integration. Yeah, calculus is that part of maths which deal with differentiation and integration. Yeah, okay, no problem. Slowly we'll enter into the chapter. This is just general idea. Now be focused, yeah, calculus is that part of maths which deal with differentiation and integration. Now be focused, yeah, okay, very good, yeah, okay, now just here, okay. Always remember, in order to understand this differentiation integration now, we have to understand one more point, one more quantity we have to understand. One term will be used in every chapter in the physics. That term is known as function. We will talk about situation. They will say you velocity is function of this, where mass is function of this. So we'll talk about one more quantity. First thing, calculus deal with differentiation, integration. We'll talk about one quantity which is known as function. You can write function. And we will talk about what is meaning of function and how to represent function. What is function? What is function? Sir, yesterday I went to marriage function, sir. I went to, sir, function of birthday. What is function? Yeah, okay. Now be focused. Yeah, okay, just here, not formula. Yeah, yeah, very good. Some people are having idea. Be focused, bring understanding. Now we have entered. You may be thinking we have started our class, we have started calculus. We are talking about one quantity which is known as function. Be focused, yeah. For general people, function means marriage function, birthday function, engagement function. But for physics people, function is not that function. For physics people, function is, be focused, understand. For example, just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. For example, if I ask you to write area of a circle, how you will write area of circle? What is the formula for area of circle? I think everyone knows, pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. If you see here, what you will find? You will find that area is depending on radius. Area of the circle is pi r square. Area is depending on radius. If you see here, area of the circle is pi r square. For example, if anyone asks you, what is the volume of a cube? You say, sir, 4/3 pi r cube. You see your volume is depending on radius. Your area is depending on radius. So always remember, if a quantity depends on any other quantity, dependent quantity is known as its function. Actually, function represents, if I ask you here, what area is depending on which quantity? You tell me area of the circle is depending on whom? Or area is depending on whom? Area is depending on radius. So area will be function of radius. You tell me volume of a sphere is depending on what? Volume of a sphere is depending on what? Volume of a sphere is depending on what? Radius. So volume will be function of radius. Always remember, if a quantity depends on other quantity, dependent quantity, the quantity which is depending, that quantity is known as function. For example, if you are preparing a juice, you are putting sugar in the juice. You tell me sweetness of the juice will depend on what? Sweetness of the juice will depend on what? sugar, yeah. So sugar, yeah, so sweetness is function of sugar. There you can say in your date, in the terms of physics, you can say, sir, since sweetness is depending on amount of sugar that you are adding, so it says sweetness of the juice is function of, yeah. So sweetness of the juice is function of sugar. So same thing happens, you write this point, then slowly we'll do more example. If you write if a quantity depends, this is the definition of function. If a quantity depends on other quantity, if a quantity depends on other quantity, if a quantity depends on other quantity, then dependent quantity, if a quantity depends on other quantity, then dependent quantity is known as, its function. Then dependent quantity is known as its function. In short, function, yeah, in short, function represents dependency. No need to write in new notebook, in the same where Mohit sir left, from there you can start. In short, function represents dependency. If a quantity depends on other quantity, then dependent quantity is known as its function. Then dependent quantity is known as its function. In short, function represents dependency. In short, function represents dependency. For example, you went in the market to buy the clothes. Achha, you'll buy good clothes or bad clothes? Who will decide that? You'll buy good quality of clothes or bad quality of clothes? Who will decide that? Money given by your mom, money given by your father, or money will decide now how much costly you are buying. So your clothes is function. Your clothes is function of what? Money. Or your clothes is depending on the money given na baba. So money more, cloth will be better. So cloth will be function of money. So if one quantity depends on other quantity, the dependent quantity is known as. Actually, tell me, my fairness will be decided by whom? Who will decide my fairness? No, cream. The cream that I will apply. Okay, the cream that so my cream will be, my fairness will be function of cream. My fairness will be function of cream. Are you getting the idea? So if one quantity depends on other quantity, dependent quantity is known as function. Dependent quantity is known as function. You can write, for example, you can write. Don't write this example. Yeah, you apply cream. Who don't apply cream? Come on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nowadays everyone apply cream. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You write. For example, you write area of a circle. First example, area of circle is function of its radius. Area of circle is function of its radius. Area of circle is function of its radius. If radius will change, area will change. If radius will change, area will change. Any other example from your side about function? Any other example which I did not give? You want to give? So we understood function means a dependency. If one quantity is depending on other quantity, then dependent quantity is known as function. Yeah, you can give, no problem. Oil for, oh, yeah, okay, no problem. Any example you can give? volume of a cube, you can say, yeah, laptop working depends on battery. You can give such example. Okay, no problem, no problem. Your marks on physics will depend on my teaching also. That is, your marks will be function of me. Your marks will be function of me. Your health will be function of your immunity. Are you getting the point? How much healthy you will be there, that will be function of your immunity. If your immunity is strong, your health will be better. Yeah, okay. So second, many examples are there. Many examples are there. People are saying, okay, very good, very good. Second example also you can write. For example, you tell me, if I say volume of a cube, you know the volume of cube. If I'm talking about volume of cuboid or cube, can you tell me volume of cube will be proportional, volume of cube will be function of what? Yeah, length. You see, volume of the cube is depending on edge length, side length, side length. It is depending on the side length. So we'll say volume of cube will be function. You can write the second example. Yeah, okay, okay, no problem. You can write. Yeah, strength of physics is function of calculus. That is also correct. If your calculus is good, physics will be good. Yeah, you can write the second example also. Volume of the cube will be function of its side length. Volume of a cube will be function of its side length. Volume of a cube will be function of its side length. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation. I will ask some question, then we'll move further in function. We'll talk in detail about function. Yeah, you can say about area also, no problem. First thing you tell me what is meaning of function. If word function will appear in the physics, what will come in your mind first? What is the meaning of function? What is the meaning of function? Dependency. In short, function represents dependency. In short, function represents, come on, say, in short, function represents what? Dependency. Dependency. If one quantity depends on other quantity, the quantity which is depending is known as function. For example, if you look at, sir, volume of a cube is depending on its side length. So volume of cube will be function of its side length. Sir, volume of a sphere is depending on radius. So volume of a sphere will be function of its radius. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Ardhmenda, everyone understood? Ardhmenda? Yeah, I'm very good in Telugu. Yeah, I will keep on using. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. Okay, so everyone got the idea. Now be focused. Slowly we'll move. Slowly we'll move. Yeah, okay, no problem. Now how to represent function? How to represent? You write representation of function. Chakradhar, so many examples I gave. You can write representation of function. Pawan, very good. Yeah. Representation of function. Acha, which alphabet of physics we can select for function? Can you guess? We will select alphabet F, function small f. We will select small f. I will simply say, yeah, this is how we represent function. For example, someone says you, if someone says you like this, y depends on x. So can you tell me who is function of what? If y depends on x, what is meaning of this? What is meaning of this? Y depends on x means y is dependency means function. Y depends on x means y is function of x. Y is function of x. That's why we will write y as f of x. F of x, this will be our y. This f represent function of x. This is how we represent function. Y depends on x. That means y is function of x. We'll write y equal to fx. Everyone got? For example, if I say like this, A depends on B. A depends on B. Can you tell me how you will write this? A depends on B means A is function. A depends on B means A is function of B. A is function of B. That means I will say from here I will say f of, yeah, okay. So from here I will say A is function of B. Are you getting idea what I'm trying to tell? Everyone has to get idea. Slowly, all these things will come. All these things are the basic of physics, which will be used in every chapter. So before moving further, you tell me function represents what? Function represents what? In short, what is one word for function? One word for function. Function means dependency. Function means dependency. Function means dependency, sir. So A is, yeah. So I will simply say, sir, if A depends on B, A is function of B. That means we will represent A as f of B. Everyone got idea? Now, for example, yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. Acha, can you write, for example, someone will say volume of a cube, volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is function of radius. You know, volume of a sphere will depend on radius. So volume of a sphere is function of radius. Can you write, how can you write this? How you can write this? Volume is function of radius. So its value also, you know, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Are you getting the idea? Bolo. Yeah, I will simply say, sir, volume is depending. I will simply say, sir, volume depends on radius. So volume is function of radius. So this is how I'll represent the volume. Volume will be function of radius, and its value will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now you write about area. Come on, you write about area of circle. Come on, you write about area of circle. How you can write area of circle? How you write area about circle? You'll simply say, you'll say, sir, you will say first, sir, area depends on, area of circle depends on its radius, sir. That means area is function of radius and its value will come, sir, pi r square. Done. This is how we represent function. Yeah, okay, no problem, yeah. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See all this situation. We will slowly move further. See all the situation. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. Done. Okay, very good. Done. Yeah, okay, no problem. So now before moving further, be focused before moving further. Yeah. Volume of cone depends on both, so it is function of both. You can write Vishnu, no problem. You can write it's function of both length, radius and height. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So before moving further, first thing, okay, no problem. You tell me what is the meaning of word function in physics? What is the meaning of word function in physics? Come on, fast, Twarga. Dependency. How we represent function? How we represent function? By small f. F means functions, small f. We represent by small f. Yeah, we represent by small f. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. Now be focused. Just here. Yeah. Okay, for example, now just here. Yeah. Now, how things will be used here? Be focused. I'm talking about very important part. Bring understanding what I'm trying to tell. One important thing I'm going to introduce here. Just here. For example, if I say you have studied so many equations now. For example, I'm saying y is given as x square. So from here I can say now y is depending on x now. So from here I can say y is function of x. And what is its value? Its value will be coming as x square. Now question is asked, they will ask you find f1. Can you tell me what will be f1? Find f2. Can you tell me what will be f2? What will be f1 and what will be f2? F1 means F1, y is your fx. Now y is depending on x, so y is function of x. If anyone asks you F1, x value you have to put 1. So if you put 1, it will become 1 square. If you put x2, it will become 2 square. So from here this will come 1 and from here this will come 4. So this is f of 1 and this is f of 2. You can write this example. Yeah. For example, if I say, it is similar to polygon. Anything can happen. Yeah, it can be trigonometry. For example, if I say just here, if I say y equal to sine x. So here also you can say y will be function of x. So this will be coming as sine x. Can you tell me what will be f pi by 2? What will be f pi by 2? What will be f pi by 2? You will simply say, sir, in place of x, I have to put pi by 2. So this will become, sir, sine pi by 2. And what is sine pi by 2? That is 1. So this is the process. This is the meaning of function. This is the meaning of function. So if anyone asks you y equal to sine x, since your y is depending, if you change the value of x here, what will happen? Sine will change. So y is depending on x. So we say y is function of x, that will be equal to sine x. If anyone asks you f pi by 2, that will be coming as sine pi by 2. Once you put the value, you'll get the answer. Sine pi by 2 means sine 90, baba. Sine 90 is okati. You have studied. Sine 90 is okati. You tell me, for example, tell me, if I say y equal to cos x. If I say y is function of x and that is cos x, can you tell me what will be f0 and what will be f pi by 3? First one answer will come 1. Yeah, okay, very good, very good. Second one, 1 by 2. Very good, very good, very good. Yeah, okay, very good, very good. Yeah. Gautam, very good. Riya, very good. Vishnu, very good. Tejashwini, very good. Ishwar Prasad, very good. Papuri, very good. Yeah. Arifa, very. I think everyone will get. If anyone asks you why f of 0, that means you have to put, you'll be simply saying, sir, I know y is function of x, sir, cos x. You are saying f0 means in place of x, I have to put 0, cos 0. I think everyone knows cos 0 will be 1. And here it will become, if you put pi by 3, this is cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60. You have studied in trigonometry just now. Cos pi by 3 means 60 degree. Cos 60 degree. And what is 60 degree? 1 by 2. So this is the meaning of, this is how we deal with function. Done, done, done. Everyone got the idea? Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Now be focused, yeah. Slowly, I'm going to introduce differentiation. I'm telling you all these things to put in your brain meaning of differentiation. Slowly, we are moving towards differentiation. Just see here, yeah. So before moving further, few points has to be clear in your mind. First thing, function means dependency. If one quantity depend on other quantity, the dependent quantity is known as function. For example, sir, tomorrow volume depends on radius, so volume will be function of radius. If area depends on radius, area is function of radius. Achha, now you tell me, now be focused. Yeah, okay, trigonometric ratio notes will be there, you can see from there. Now be focused on the calculus. Now be focused, we'll do trigonometry again. Now be focused, just here. Yeah. Achha, for example, you tell me I'm saying like this, I'm saying y is function of x, which is x square. Achha, tomorrow if you tell me tomorrow if I will change x, for example, someone says if I start changing x, what will happen to y? If you start changing x, what will happen to the y? Does y will change or not? If you change x, what will happen to y? If x will change, you see here, if you put x equal to 0, y will be 0, x equal to 1, y will be 1, x equal to 2, y will be 4. So what will happen if you start changing x? Y will also start changing. Now be focused, slowly. I'm saying, sir, y is function of x. This is the meaning of function. Y is depending on x. Tomorrow if you change the x, of course y will change. So if I'm saying like this, if x is changing, y will also change. Be focused, bring understanding. Yeah. Now understand one point. I will ask you, just see here. Now see what is the need of differentiation. What is the need of differentiation that is going to come here? Achha, you tell me, if y is function of x, tomorrow if you change x, what will happen to the y? If y is function of x, tomorrow if you change x, what will happen to y? Sir, you are saying y is depending on x, sir. If you change x, of course y will change. But always remember, you tell me, I will ask you one question. Think and then tell. Just see here, differentiation. What differentiation exactly represent is going to come here. Be focused, run your brain. Now you are preparing to become doctor. Your brain should also spark. There must be Valigendi in your brain. Valigendi spark must come in your brain. Now be focused. Yeah. Achha, tell me. Okay, sir, we understood. Yeah. I have learned some word, Valigendi. Valigendi means the way bulb glows, na? Concept has to glow in your brain. Yeah, okay, okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Chamka. Yeah, okay, okay. Now, first thing, okay, be focused. I'm going to introduce differentiation just here. I'm saying, sir, if you change X, Y will change. Acha, tell me, does only change is important, or how fast change is happening? That is also important. What is important? What is important? Does only change is important, or how fast change is happening? That is also important. Both are important. Both are important. Only change is not important. How fast things are changing, that is also important. And that how fast things changes is known as rate of change. Bring understanding. Thoda socho, bring understanding. The most important, people don't know what is meaning of differentiation. They apply differentiation. That's why they struggle. Be focused just here. I'm saying, sir, y is function of x. Tomorrow, if you change the x, y will change. But you tell me, does only change of y is important, or how fast y is changing? That is also important. How fast? Both are important, sir. Both are important. How fast changes is known as rate of change. How fast things are changing is known as rate of change. Yeah. Okay. No problem. No problem. Yeah. And that rate of change is calculated with the help of, you write this point. You write this point. You write. You write. You write. Rate of change represents, rate of change of a function represents, very, very important point. Rate of change of a function represents, rate of change of a function represents how fast, rate of change of a function represents how fast, rate of change of a function represents how fast a given quantity is changing. Rate of change of a function represents how fast a given quantity is changing. How fast a given quantity is changing when other quantities change. Rate of a function represents how fast a given quantity is changing when other quantities changed. Always remember, I will give you idea, just here, you must understand what is the meaning of rate of change. Rate of change, because differentiation is used to find rate of change only. Only change is not important, Baba. How fast that change is happening, that is also important. For example, you tell me, be focused just here, yeah. As you, I will give you simple example. Just see here how we'll be talking. Be focused, bring your understanding, very, very important part. For example, I'm saying, assume two students are there, both are having 0 marks in physics. Assume two students are there, student A, student B. Both are having 0 marks, both are having 0 knowledge in physics, both are having 0 marks. Okay, no problem. After studying for some days, A got marks 100. B got marks, A got marks 100, B got marks, I'm saying B got marks 50. Can you tell me who studied better out of A and B? B. For this is the point I'm saying. Only change is not important, Baba. Now you are saying, right now you are saying, sir, A got better study, A studied better. You are saying, sir, from 0 to 100, change happened more for A. But it's not mandatory that A is better. For example, if the same thing I'd say, A got 100 marks after studying for 100 days. But B got 100 marks just by studying in 2 days. You tell me now who is better, A or B? Now B. So this is rate of change. Rate of change. Always remember, only change is not important. This is what I was trying to tell. Only change is not important. You must know how fast things are changing. That is also important. And how fast things are changing is known as rate, is known as rate of change. For example, if I say again two boys are there, two students are there, A and B. Now you will say both have 0 marks. Now you'll be saying, sir, A got 100 marks, B also got 100 marks. You tell me who is more better student, A or B? A or B? You cannot say time, sir, how this change happened. If I say both studies for 100 days now, then you will say, sir, both studied for 100 days. Then you will say, sir, same boys, no change, both are equal, both are equal. But if I say one studied for 100 days and other studied for 50 days, who is better now? Who is more intelligent? A is more. So always remember, only change is not important in physics. How fast change is happening, and how fast change is happening, that is known as rate of change. You are going to become doctor. Think two doctors are there. To the both doctors, same patient, one patient came, two patients came, both have same type of disease. One doctor gave medicine, disease disappeared in 5 days. Other doctor also give medicine, disease disappear in 10 days. Who is more better doctor? Both situation, disease disappeared only. Now only change is not important. First one is the better doctor because time taken is less. So this is known as rate of change. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? You write this point also. You write this point also. Yeah, you write this point. Yeah, you write this point. In physics, only change is not important. In physics, only change is not important. In physics, only change is not important. How fast change is happening is also important. In physics, only change is not important, full stop. How fast change is happening is also important. How fast change is happening is also important. This is known as rate of change. 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 In physics, only change is not important. Yeah, how fast change is happening is also important. This is known as rate of change. You tell me what rate of change represent? 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 What rate of, how fast quantity is changing? How fast function is changing? How fast function is changing? If function will change fast, its rate will be more. If function changes slowly, rate will be less. Are you getting the idea? Last I will ask one. I will talk about one more point, one more example, last example. Okay, I think you got the idea. Everyone got the idea. Still I will talk about one example. Just see here. Okay, no problem. For example, assume right now we are having government. Right now we are having government. Okay, no problem. Acha, are you hearing with your father and mother or anyone saying petrol prices are rising very fast? That is the rate. If it is rising very fast, for example, right now if I say, sir, petrol price is 120 rupees. If I say, assume government X is there. Right now we are having Modi government at the center. If government X is there, price of the petrol became from 120 to 150. Is government is bad or good? Is government is bad or good? Don't jump to conclusion. Rate. If I said for this thing to happen, government took 10 years. Now this is not bad. Now this is not bad government. This is good government. It is always remember, only change don't decides everything. How fast change is happening. How fast you prepared for NEET. You have prepared for NEET. For example, you prepared 10 years for the NEET. You got rank 1. That is not good. Getting rank 1 is good, but in how much time you got, that is also important. Now I think everyone got the idea. Everyone got the idea. Everyone got the idea. Yeah, okay, very good. Yeah, I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all these points. I will ask few points, then we'll move further. See all the points, all the small chinna point, very important. Before moving further, I will keep on asking. Rate of change means how fast quantity changes. That is the exact definition. Can I ask you, can I take your Viva? Not enough for day. Come on. Abu, come on. So lazy students, come on. Yeah, you have to be energetic. Come on. Yeah, you see, I've already taken 5 classes. Still, I am energetic. Come on. Yeah, okay. Come on, I will ask. Rapid fire. Without your keyboard should, yeah. Okay, type so fast that keyboard should feel, your parents should feel, oh, someone is typing. Yeah, okay, no problem. Those who cannot type, they have to speak. First thing you tell me, what is the meaning of what function in physics? Come on, fast. Meaning of what function in the physics? Come on, fast. Run your fingers fast. Come on. Dependency. Till now, function was marriage function, engagement function, birthday function, but now function means dependency. What is the meaning of word rate? Rate represents what? Rate. How fast a given quantity changes. Sir, how fast given quantity changes. Rate means speed of change, you can say, or how fast a given quantity changes. You tell me, does only change is important or rate of change is also important? Which is more important? Only change or rate of change? Both, sir. Both are important. We cannot get conclusion without knowing rate of change. That's why we talk about rate of change of a quantity. Yeah, rate of change of a quantity. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Now we are going to move towards our main part. Now you write. Yeah. Now you write differentiation. We will move towards differentiation. This entire knowledge was required to start differentiation. Now you can write differentiation. Never feel complex of my handwriting. Actually, my handwriting is very good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. In the class, everyone feel complex of my handwriting. It's good now. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes the students say me SD, self dabba. I don't know meaning of it. I always ask, but they never said self dabba. I don't know what's that. What is that? Superb. Self dabba means superb. Oh, nice. Okay. Then what is? Acha, praising. Oh my God. Okay. Self-praising. Oh. That is the benefit they take. Yeah. I don't know Telugu means everything I don't know. So that's why. Acha, praising yourself is okay. Okay. Next class I will take there. Yeah. I will. Yeah. Okay. You are good student. You told me the reality. They did not tell me the reality. Okay, no problem. Okay, we are going to talk about differentiation. Yeah. Now go and eat, sir. Why? Am I feeling weak? Am I looking weak? Who is saying go and eat, sir? Beat them. Yeah, correct. Yeah, you're saying correct. Yeah, I will take the revenge. Okay. Now be focused. Yeah. Okay. Now just see. Yeah. So first thing, okay, now again be focused. We'll start with the differentiation. Be focused. Yeah. First thing, yeah. As I said, only change is not important. So rate of change, how fast quantity is changing, that is also important. And there comes the game of differentiation. Actually, differentiation is a technique with the help of which you can find that rate of change. Be focused. Bring your understanding. Be focused here. What I said you, only change is not important. How fast quantity is changing, that is also important. And there comes the game of differentiation. Differentiation is the only technique. Go and see entire world. No other technique exists. Only one technique, differentiation. Differentiation is the only technique with the help of which you can find rate of change. So always remember, you write this point. You write, you write It is a method to find. It is a method to find. It is a method to find rate of change. It is a method to find rate of change. It is a method to find rate of change. Yeah, this is the meaning of differentiation. Differentiation, then you can write. It is a method to find rate of change of a given function. It is a method to find rate of change of a given function. It is a method to find rate of change of a given function. With the help of differentiation, 1-2 points you can write. With the help of differentiation, with the help of differentiation, with the help of, yeah, it is a method to find rate of change of a given function. With the help of differentiation, we can find, with the help of differentiation, we can find how fast, with the help of differentiation, we can find how fast a function is changing. How fast a function is changing. With the help of differentiation, we can find how fast a function is changing. So be focused before moving further. Again, I will ask you few points. Just give me idea. You tell me, does only change is important or rate of change is important? Which is important? Both are equally important, sir. Both are equally important. You tell me, is there is any method to find rate of change? Is there is any method? Come on, say fast. Is there is any method to find? Yes, sir. Only one method. Go in the entire universe. Go to every part of the universe. No other method exists. Only one method exists. That is differentiation. Differentiation is a method to find rate of change of a function. Whenever you require to find how fast a given quantity is changing, there is only one method exists. That is differentiation. Differentiation is a method which is used to find rate of change of function. Everyone got the idea? Everyone got the idea? Now see here, yeah, this is applicable in chemistry also. In some places in chemistry also differentiation will be used. Now just see here, how to represent differentiation. Yeah, see here how to represent differentiation. Just see here how we will represent differentiation. Just see here, yeah. So differentiation is a method which is used to find rate of change of a function. Now just see, maybe this is new for you. Representation, you can write representation. We will talk about representation. We'll talk about representation of differentiation, how to represent differentiation. Representation. And just see here how to represent differentiation, how to write differentiation, and how to represent is mathematically. Yeah, some people are knowing, very good. Some people are knowing. Those who are knowing, you can tell me. Those who are knowing, you can tell me how to represent differentiation. D of dx. Okay. Ali, very good. Yeah, differentiation. Okay, no problem. Yeah, some people are knowing. Just see here. Okay, very good. Yeah, so see here how we will talk. Okay, no problem. Yeah, dy by dx. Yeah, okay, very good. Yeah, dy by dx. Yeah, okay. Now be focused. What is the representation? Everyone be focused. Those who know, they should be also focused, because now you'll get more clarity. I will tell you what is the meaning of all these things. Be focused. Just see here. Yeah. For example, how differentiation is started? I will simply say, for example, someone says you, sir, y is function of x. This is how we started. Sir, y is depending on x. That means y is function of x. Sir, this is how we started. Sir, y is function of x. Y is depending on x. Do you tell me tomorrow if x will change, what will happen to y? If tomorrow x will change, what will happen to y? Y will change. So if anyone asks you now, rate of change, someone asks me, tell me when I'm changing x, how fast y is changing. Someone asks me tomorrow, tell me if I'm changing x, how fast y is changing. That is meaning of rate of change of y. Rate of change of y with respect to x. And this is known as differentiation. Rate, I told you there is only one method to find the rate. Sir, y is function of x. I know, sir, if tomorrow if you change the x, y will change. So rate of change of y with respect to x. This rate is known as differentiation. And in place of writing this, this is known as differentiation. Instead of writing this entire, we can write this as dy by dx. This we pronounce as differentiation of y with respect to x. Y is function of x now, so we are calculating how fast y is changing when x is changing. First you write this. This is how we represent differentiation. This is how differentiation is represented. Since y is function of x, so rate of change of y with respect to x means differentiation of y with respect to x. So this is how we represent dy by dx means differentiation of y with respect to x. No problem, we'll do some examples. Don't worry, everyone will get the idea. Exact idea slowly you'll get. First time you are seeing this differentiation, so maybe you'll be feeling little, sir, what is that dy? D word represents differentiation. You are differentiating y with respect to x. And you have to be focused, Charan, then all you'll understand. For example, just see a few examples I will take. Okay, maybe in first example you'll not get. Okay, no problem. For example, if I say area of a circle, if I'm saying like this, area of the circle is pi r square. That means area is function of radius. Can you tell me if I will change radius, what will happen to area? Tell me, if I will change radius, what will happen to area? Come on, say fast, Twarga. Or you tell me if tomorrow if you change the radius, what will happen to the area? So if you change the radius, area will change. So do you want to know how fast area is changing when radius is changing? Yes, sir. Sir, I will simply say, sir, what is rate of change of area with respect to radius? When you are changing, rate of change of area with respect to radius. When you are changing radius, how fast area is changing? And this is known as differentiation. And if you have to represent this differentiation, you will represent like this. You are differentiating a, you are finding rate of change of a with respect to radius. So this will be written as dA by dr. This is known as, we pronounce this as differentiation of area with respect to radius. This is how, getting idea? Are you getting idea how we are writing all this thing? Because in the next class we'll start with the numerical, so this idea must be there. Okay, very good, For example, you tell me, I will again ask you again. Now you'll say how you'll pronounce this, okay. For example, if I say dz by dx, how will pronounce this? Whose differentiation with respect to whom? You will simply say, sir, here you are differentiating z. With respect to x. So we'll say differentiation of z with respect to x. Differentiation of z with respect to x. That means, sir, rate of change of z. With respect to x. This is the meaning of differentiation, rate of change. So rate of change of z with respect to x. Done. Bolo. Samjhe. Okay, very good. I will ask you in Telugu. You give me answer in the Telugu. Okay, no problem. Ardhminda. Nana Ardhminda. I'll put some little emotions. Nana Ardhminda. Achha, Nana is used for boy or girl? Nana is used for boy or girl? Ardhmendi, sir. Okay. Nana for boy. Achha, for both. Okay. Neutral. Okay. For both it is used. Okay. No problem. Okay. So everyone got the idea. Nana means son, or it is used for boy and girl both. Okay, no problem. Okay. No problem. Yeah. So this is how we can talk about. Again, you'll tell me, come on. So I think everyone is getting the idea. For example, if I say, come on, last one, few more situation. Yeah. Okay. Now, for example, okay. For example, if I say like this, if I'm saying like this, for example, again, yeah, I'm saying, for example, I'm saying quantity A, or I'm saying quantity B. Achha, can you say me how you pronounce this? dB by dt. How you pronounce this? dB by dt. You simply say, always remember you are differentiating B here. Denominator represent with respect to what? Yeah, you simply say, sir, differentiation of B with respect to T. This is the meaning of dB by dt, differentiation of B with respect to T. And this represents what? Can you tell me what this is representing? What this is representing? Differentiation of B with respect to T. What is it? What it is representing practically? Rate of change. Whose change? Rate of change of B with respect to T. This is the meaning. For example, if I say tomorrow, if I say this is your S is your distance. If I say S is your distance, can you tell me what is ds by dt? How you'll pronounce this ds by dt? If I say S is distance, how you'll pronounce it? ds by dt, come on. Yeah, this is rate of change of. You will say like this. This is, sir, this ds by dt means rate. Yeah, ds by dt, sir. ds by dt means differentiation of S with respect to T. That also means the numerator means the quantity, T means with respect, differentiation of S with respect to T. That also means rate of change of S with respect to T, and this quantity is known as velocity. Are you getting the idea? If you remember, you studied in class 9th or 10th that velocity is rate of change. This is known as rate of change of, you can say speed here because distance we are taking. Rate of change of distance is known as speed. Bolo. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So this is how we talk about symbol related with our differentiation. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation. We'll move further. Achha, my G is really cool. Yeah, okay. What's doubt? Varshini, what's the doubt? We'll move further. No problem. You can say, Varshini, you can say, why not? It is depending on speed of light in the medium. Yeah, it will be function. Any quantity which depend will be function. Yeah, okay. We will talk about some formula also, but we will talk. Yeah, okay. We will talk about some formula also, but we'll do that formula in the next class. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now be focused, bring understanding. Before moving further, again, I will ask you few more things. Yeah. Okay. Few more things I will again ask you from the beginning. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Sir, please leave now. We will start class tomorrow. Who is that? From the beginning you are saying. Why then you came for the class? Now just came and asking, sir, leave. You can leave. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now be focused before moving further. We'll start with the formula in the next class. No problem. Before moving further, you tell me. I will start from the beginning. All the important points I will ask you. You tell me. What is the meaning of what function? What is the meaning of what function? You tell me. Till now for you, function was marriage function, birthday function, but now from today, what is the meaning of what function? Come on, say fast. Dependency. If one quantity depends on other quantity, sir, that quantity is known as function. Dependent quantity is known as function. Can you give me example of function? Come on, fast. Give me example of function. Any example you can give? Yeah. Area of a square is function of its side length. Area of circle is function of its radius. Volume of a sphere is function of its radius. Juice, yeah. Sweetness of the juice is function of its sugar. Yeah, okay, no problem. How we represent function? Yeah. How we represent function with a small f? We represent with a small f. Yeah, we represent function with a small f. You tell me, does only quantity change is important, or how fast change is happening, that is also important? Both are important, sir. Only change is not important. How fast change? You tell me, what is the technical word for how fast thing is changing in physics? What is the technical word for that? Rate of change. Rate of change, rate of change, rate of change, rate of change. You tell me how you calculate rate of change. Which method is used to find rate of change of the function? Which method? Differentiation only. What does any other method exist? You went to the moon and there you search your new method. Is it possible? Is it possible to have new method? No. Only one method exists. What is that one method? What is that one method? Differentiation. Differentiation is the only way in the entire universe which is used to find rate of change. Yeah. What is the symbol for differentiation? Come on. What is the symbol for differentiation? Yeah, D. Sir, dy by dx. Last. You tell me. For example, if I say like this, for example, if I say dA by dt, can you say what is this? How will pronounce this? How will pronounce this? How will pronounce this? Come on, fast. You are differentiating. This means, sir, I am differentiating A with respect to time. We are differentiating A with respect to time. So this we will pronounce as differentiation of A with respect to time t. Differentiation of A with respect to time t. Yeah, dA by dt, differentiation of A. Acha, what this will represent? What this will represent? What this will represent? What this will represent? This will represent differentiation means rate. Use your medadu. Bring some understanding. Differentiation means rate. So this represents rate of change of A. Rate of change of A with respect to t. Done. Yeah, rate of change of A with respect to t. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So this is how we have talked about starting of differentiation. Numerical, we will start from tomorrow. Some mathematical formula is there. We will talk about method of those formula, those method of differentiation we will talk in our next class. Is it okay? Yeah. I think you got hungry. First day you are attending the class. So, okay, no problem. Yeah. I know feeling of students. Yeah. So we'll start. Okay, no problem. Yeah. We'll start in the next class. No problem. Yeah. Okay. We'll start in the next class. Okay, no problem. And slowly start studying. You are dreaming to become doctor. Things are not going to be easy. So many things you have to do. So start studying. Deal already you done now. What was the deal? We'll start in the next class. Formula we have to study. Then we will do numerical. What was your deal? Yeah, half study and 50% studying and 50% chilling. 2 hours, minimum 2 hours. Yeah. Okay, minimum 2 hours of study everyone has to do because you have to become doctor. Hard work has to be done. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. 2 hours or 3 hours. Yeah. So we'll study about all these things. Yeah. Excluding class, of course. Excluding class. Yeah. Okay. So we'll start with, we will move further from here in our next class. For today, we'll be ending our class here only. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. We will start from here. We'll study method of differentiation. Just I gave you introduction of calculus, introduction of differentiation. We'll start with method of differentiation in the next class. Today I told you what is meaning of biryani. Tomorrow I will tell you how to prepare the biryani. I will tell you the recipe of biryani. Is it okay? Now example is good now. Sir, in the dinner time you're talking about biryani, sir. Oh. What's there at the home? What's getting cooked? What is prepared? Everyone is so excited to have bhojanam. What's that bhojanam? What special? Chicken? Oh my God. Pappu, roti. Oh, sambar. Don't say okay. Okay, no problem. We'll start now. No. I cannot tolerate. Oh my God, butter, naan, chicken. Oh, roti, dal. Oh, okay. Bye. Good night. Study well. Start studying slowly. Bye. Take care. Study well. Bye. Tata, bye. Fresh binjal. Don't say all these things. I will also start getting, my mouth also water started. Okay, bye. Tata, take care. Okay, bye. Bye. Study well. Bye.
Recording stopped.
इसमें क्यों नहीं लगाया? पागल है क्या ये? कमर दुख जाता है यार सुबह में इसमें करके पढ़ाओ।
रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है।